wonderful healer, Vitalina. She has these beautiful meditation candles. For those of you who can see in my hand, it's a set of 3 candles and a clean candle dish. And the price of the set of 3 candles along with the dish is normally 800 rupees. But as a special offer, if you buy it from her today, it's only 500 rupees. So ladies and gentlemen, please make your way to stall number 27, Live Hive with our healer, Reiki healer. All the vendors. I'm going to be coming around to all of your stalls now. And as we're getting ready to wind up the day, we'd like for all of you to have a special offer ready, all the vendors. As I walk around, if you all can give a special offer towards the end of the day, just like Vitali did just now. Vitali is giving you a set of 3 meditation candles along with a porcelain dish. Alright ladies, our vendors are feeling very generous. We have stall number 31 is the stall right beside the stage. Shefali is giving her cupcakes on a very special offer of buy one get one free. So on the cupcakes, buy one get one free, and on the cake jar, which is the chocolate mousse cake jar, it's going to be only 50 rupees instead of 70. So 20 rupees off on each cake jar. Alright, at Outfits and More stall number 4, Sushmita is giving us 10% off on purchase of anything. No minimum purchase, no minimum amount, direct flat from Outfits and More. Alright, Desi Cinderella has an offer for all of the vendors present at the market. She's going to give you rupees 150 off on any pair of duties that you buy. So rupees 150 off on any pair of duties. To the cake lab, do you have any offer, Scientist Chama?
Namaskar, good evening. I am Sia Sheikh, founder of 3 beautiful platforms, Go Womania, Webin and Goinkart. So today we are here at MAPSA, that is at Saffron Banquet. So we have a special Chaturthi Bazaar. We have more than 30 entrepreneurs of Goa from all over Goa displaying their beautiful handmade, homemade products, especially Chaturthi Bazaar products like decor products. We have pickles and we have clothing, jewelries, lot of other stuffs. So this entire event is been organized by Weben. Weben is a platform where we uplift and encourage women entrepreneurs, especially into business. So as you can see, our entire team of Weben, the main core team is here. So I would also like, ask them to share a few things about this event. So I'll pass to our president of Weben first, or on my left, I have co-founders of Weben, and on my right, I have president and our strategic planner. So first I'll start with our co-founders. So we have with us Moksha and Madhumati. So
Yeah, this is the first time in MAPSA that we are having a Chaturthi Bazaar, and lot of members from our Weben are there, and we have lot of products, wide range of products for Chaturthi and other purposes also. So it's a wonderful platform that we have created in MAPSA where a lot of women come on the open market and many people know them. So this is not only purchases for today, but they got a lot of references and they are growing with their businesses. Thank you.
My name is Madhumati Kalagotla. I'm the co-founder of this WebN, Goa's first women entrepreneurs business network. Basically, a woman needs a support as an entrepreneur. So here at WebN, we do support women to scale up, to grow their business to the next level. So this is an initiative which we have taken in MAPSA, and we are spreading our wings to the other places of Goa very soon. So please wish and support all the women entrepreneurs Goa and help Goa to become Swayampurna. Thank you.
Very well said, Madhu. Thank you so much. So now I ask our president to share a few words on this.
Thank you, Sia. I'm Sunita Mathur, owner of Divine Designs, and I'm the president of WebN, which is a women entrepreneur business network group. What we do here is, as all my colleagues told you, support and uplift. We make them stronger together. That is our tagline, that is our motto in life, that WebN makes stronger together. Here today, we are having, for last 2 days actually, we are having this pop-up market. All the home chefs, homepreneurs, womenpreneurs are coming together. Mostly they are WebN members, and some of them are non-WebN members. We have created this very cohesive and coordinated place to work with and to display their products and showcase and get some sale, make some business. So in future, we are going to do such markets more. Next would be on Diwali. MAPSA, Panjim, we have 2 different chapters, and 1 chapter we have in Margao. So all 3 places we will be covering some event on some occasions. I would like something to be said by our strategic planner, Padmaja Chauhan.
Thank you so much, Sunita. I am Padmaja Chauhan, and a very most important part of me being the part of this group is that this group is amazing group. It's all about women entrepreneurs business networking. As my founder always says, that network is all about net worth, and I really believe into it. There's nothing much I can add upon, because I think we 30 vendors making an amazing business, sale, learning, exposure, and we can all see that this 30 is going to be 90, 300, 3,000. I think that's what is our aim. And that is what our WebN is all about. Thank you so much. And looking forward to seeing all you guys in all our forthcoming bazaars, or it is any kind of event. And we welcome each and every woman, whether it's a homepreneur, entrepreneur, even if you are not anything, you're please welcome to us, and we will help you to start up. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Padmaja. Very well said that, being an entrepreneur, first thing is we are passionpreneur. That's the reason why we all are here together, right? So I would like to thank entire vendors, my fellow entrepreneurs who are here today with us. I think because of them we are here. That's the one reason. Also, I would like to thank Shekhar sir for coming all the way and giving this opportunity to speak. I think media plays very important role in such type of events, and we require more and more support from media so that we can create more awareness and reach to every corner of Goa. So thank you so much, my team. You are also one of the reasons why we are here today, and wishing everyone all the best, all the entrepreneurs who are listening to us, be part of our platform and you will see the change. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Thank you.